My name is Barry Caswell. I'm the Director of IT Operations and Security for the Vancouver Organizing Committee for the 2010 Olympic and Paralympic Winter Games. We're here sitting today in the command center for the Games, where we run our Technology Operations Center from. Security is critical to us. Security has to be embedded and pervasive within our entire technology infrastructure. In terms of security, we have administrative controls, physical controls, logical controls across all of our systems, across all of our facilities, across all of our venues. In total, we'll have something like 60 venues that we have a large technology infrastructure deployed, and we need to secure that end to end. The types of systems that we protect are everything from business systems, everything that it takes to run a corporate enterprise. The next type of systems are core games management systems, and these are the enterprise resource planning tools that we use that are very specialized to the Olympics: transportation, accommodation, uniforming, and all the things that we need. And then the last set of systems is result systems, and the result systems are critical because that's what everyone sees. It's what they see on the TV, it's what they read in the newspaper, it's what they see in magazines, the diffusion of the real-time supply chain of results. There's a high degree of integrity. The information is clearly not confidential, but it must be diffused and it must be end-to-end in that near real time, and that's critical to us. So in terms of monitoring, during the command center we monitor 7/24, and that's across all of our infrastructure, and we need very specialized tool to be able to do that, to be able to correlate, filter, aggregate, normalize, do all those things so that we can take action-oriented decisions on what we see in our environment. So in terms of the detection and the response piece, we need to deliver to our analysts a tool that can be used effectively, that they can use at all times, whether that's alerting them on a page or on a phone in some cases leading up to the games, or closer to the games, that they can see something and they know exactly what to take action on, and we use Novell Sentinel to do that. But there's huge benefits to the tool. One is to aggregate all the information, and it gives us the ability to write very powerful rules around what we trigger and alert on and what we see in terms of our dashboard, and we see events in near real time. Based on those events, we can take action. Our analysts know what's right, what's wrong. As soon as they see something, they take action. That might be to pick up the phone and make a call. That might be to revoke access to a particular user. That might be to invoke the incident response team. And in particular, the dashboard is a fantastic feature. It gives us the ability to see everything across all of our environment and really understand what the position of security is and what the health of the network is. Using the Novell Identity and Access Management tools, we're now looking at how we're resetting passwords automatically, making sure that users have rights and that they're being enforced consistently across the infrastructure. Infrastructures being 120 plus Unix servers, more than 600 Wintel servers, and all of our platforms and tools. In terms of provisioning, we have to provision thousands of users and make sure that that's right. So we map users to their roles, and we use Novell Identity and Access Management to flow that through our provisioning system. The Novell security applications bring our security policy to life. We're probably the most high-profile event, certainly for the period of the Games and leading up to the Games. And so security is obviously paramount to everything that we do. The Novell security applications make sure that we can have our staff focus on value-added activities rather than the blocking and the tackling, keeping the lights on. And those tools really help us automate things, make sure that it's efficient, and drive only the stuff that's really necessary up to our teams. So if we've all done our jobs at the end of the day, collectively, you should never have heard about technology at the Olympics. What you'll hear about is the athletes and all the wonderful stories about them. You'll hear about Vancouver, you'll hear about British Columbia, you hear about Whistler, and you hear about Canada. The last thing we want to be in the headlines is technology. And all of these tools that we implement, the teams that we have, they help us deliver, they help us achieve that.